Meaning of imitative.
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 Imitative. Imitative is an adjective used to describe something that imitates or copies the manner, behavior, or appearance of something else. It refers to the act of replicating the qualities of a person, object, or event with the intention of reproducing or representing them. This can be achieved through mimicking, copying, or emulating certain characteristics and actions. Imitation can have different results. It can be used to pay tribute to someone or something, to learn a new skill, or to create a replica of a particular object. Ultimately, imitative activities allow us to learn from and appreciate the world around us.